everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with another video. So, have you ever wondered what the real difference is between a list, a tuple, and a set in Python? They may look similar, but trust me, using the right one can make your code cleaner, faster, and way more efficient. So, in this video, we'll break it down simply with code, use cases, and two real examples. So, now we'll start this so we can see what is the basic difference between list, tuple, and sets. So let's start the basics. So these are all collection data types in Python, but they behave very differently. So firstly we can see that how list, tuple and sets are stored. So we store list in square braces and we store tuple in parentheses and we store sets in curly braces. So these are the things which we use to store the list, tuples and sets. So now a list is ordered and unchangeable like a shopping list. So like a shopping list which is ordered and changeable, we can change it according to ourselves. Similarly, a tuple is ordered but it is unchangeable. Think of it like a GPS coordinate which is ordered but it is unchangeable. And a set is unordered and only stores unique values. So, a set only stores unique values and is unordered like a bag that throws out the duplicates. So, basically, lists and tuples are ordered and mutable. Similarly, sets are also mutables. So let's take example creating simple list. So the first one is the list and the second one is the tuple and the third one is the set. So now a basic question arises in everyone's mind that can you change them? So let's try edit them and see what happens. So firstly we'll start changing on the list. So what we'll do is we'll add an item in the index. So every time we start the index, we start from 0. So this will add the value 100 at the index 0. And now we'll print the list. So as we can see, we have added 100 at the index 0. So it added 100. It means lists are changeable. And now we'll try changing in the tuple. So as you can see that print my tuple gives an error because tuples are unchangeable. And now once we can see how to modify a set. So as we can see, my set.add5, this adds 5, the value in the designed tuple sets. So here what we understood that list you can change item, add or delete, which are super flexible, and tuples once made they are logged, great for fixed data, and sets you can add or remove but they don't allow duplicate or indexing. So now we can see the duplicate behavior. So let's talk about duplicates. So now we'll see. So now what we can see is both list and tuples allow duplicate, and but in set, so in sets Python quietly removes the second one, that makes set perfect for getting unique values fast. So now very basic question comes in everyone's mind, that when to use each. So I'll quickly guide you when to use each. So firstly, use of a list. So when order matters and data might change, like in a to-do list, we can use list. And the use of tuple, when your data is fixed like latitude or longitudes, so you can use a tuple. And uses of set, when you want to remove duplicates or check if something exists fast, so you can use sets. So now let's start with an example. So in the example 1, we'll see how to remove duplicate from a list. So what we'll do is, let's say you have a list of names from a form, but some people signed up twice. So firstly we'll create a list of names. So here what we do is, we have created a list name and we have entered the names, and we can see that Ash is coming twice, means it is duplicate in the list. And here what happens, set names convert the list into sets, and as set doesn't allow duplicate items, so it automatically removes duplicates. So here we can see the result. So as we can see the result, that Ash, which was duplicate, it is only once. So the result is Bob, Sierra and Ash, means unordered and no repeats. So here list converts the set back into a list, so it can be used like a regular Python list. So now unique name becomes Bob, Sierra and Ash without duplicates. So the order may change because sets are unordered in Python. So this was a basic example. Now we can see one more example, which is a fast membership check. So say you are checking whether a user ID is in a large list, which is sets are much faster. So we'll create a set here. So this check is lightning fast with a set even with thousands of items. So what it does is, here we have created a set which contains user IDs, and now with a condition, if 103 in user IDs, it means if 103 is present in the user IDs, means in the set it will print user found. So as we can see, 103 is present in the user ID, so it printed user found. So there we can see list, tuple and sets. So now you know when to use which and why it matters. So drop a like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Python tips, and let me know in the comments, so which one do you use the most and why. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was very useful for you.